Hey guys, Misha, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Um, let's let's see how markets close. This time, this thing broke down and it's closing in a correction. Market is bebopping. No idea of what this is. I don't know. I don't want to touch it. Zero building the cost either to go up or down. We'll see how that goes. Buzzy. It's barely a long wave, however it is. It's the biggest volume in a jog, jump over creek. That's good news. Um, whether it was here, it's yeah, it reached its potential on 0.5, which doesn't prevent us from trading on lower time frames. Yeah, so technically it's good and it has like a bunch of it can go up to like monthly level. It's not good for daily though, because on monthly it's already reached zero point 0.5 potential. But on lower time frames, you know, why not? Like continuation of the trend. Hmm. Yeah, something like that. It's now reversed. Yeah. There was a sign of strength here in jump over creek. Good stuff. I mean, good stuff. Hmm. It's at the level right now. It's not the balance, however. We need a close manipulation signal on daily. It all looks cool and everything. But yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. That was cool. Unvolumed turn. That's cool. That's cool. Wait. We need a close manipulation signal, don't we? Well, we didn't need yeah, so now we do. Technically that was like possible for a day trade, but it's a massacre. It's a massacre. Stall daily watches. So once again, I feel like I need to reconsider my entire list, starting from not yet. Let me sleep on it a little more. But the idea is to rank it from the temporality alignment so that I can focus better on more significant levels per se. We can try. So this would be the green because, and so would this be because it's both. It's at the annual level. However, this wouldn't make sense because like what how does it help me if it's not ready like on daily and yeah. Let's process it a little bit more because then I'll move up the stocks that are not ready on lower time frames. How does it help me? How does it help me? Hmm. UPS is there. One by reversal though. Oy. It can go down so bad. It can go down so bad. Yeah, it's getting there. It's like getting there. It's getting there. It's like so getting there. Unvolumed. But yeah, good stuff. So this is it's continuation of the trend, my friend. Good stuff. Maybe it's not the flags that I need to change. Maybe it's just in my head. And I was also thinking maybe I should move chart forward back. Maybe I should I was thinking about moving this volume, yeah, like this. Because that would, you know what I mean? Let me try it like this because maybe that would, uh, damn, how do I, yeah, no, that pisses me off. Like already, no, I won't be able to do that. Wait. Because in this manner, no, guys, I can't deal with it. No, let's not do anything new for now. Damn, damn, yeah, there's no way. It's good volume, good volume, good stuff. Why do I have this? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Because we are in a zone to buy. After this volume, there's no way. Even for a quick short trade, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. And we have only 2 days left till the end of the month. Yeah. Okay. It's so messy. All this stocks. What the heck? Changed direction, but now confirmed. So, and that's a transition extremum. Oh, it kind of confirmed here. But then none of this makes sense. None of this makes sense. Good volume here, but too far away from 0.5. I think that was it, right? From 0.5, it's good for what? Day an hour? Day months an hour. Boom, look at this. Last hour, first hour of the, look at this. It didn't close terribly far below the transition extreme and the tail, the buyer's tail, and biggest volume. That wasn't terrible. That wasn't terrible. And then no test, of course. Boom. And then it went up. Hmm? Right. Then went up, and now it's in this break. Um, let's see. Sun strength. Could be short, quick trade from 0.5, possibly. Possible. Um, there's one bar rule everywhere. Here, there, everywhere. So this is the first. Um, transition extreme, really. Then it went to 0.5. Yeah, but volume, look at the volume. Now we're in this situation. That's a break. That was a good exhaustion, but so steep, this thing. I was like, and what kind of test is it anyway? So if this was a shrink, so it's just doesn't make any sense. This volume. Yeah. None of this looks good or healthy. Um, Continuation of the trend, however, wouldn't that wouldn't that be fun if it closed like an up thrust in 2 days? And also 2 days, you guys, like we don't have much time, really. It's more like this. It's gonna be break in 2 days. Huh. If this is gonna be a break in 2 days, then then this is the continuation of the trend about in a year. But here it doesn't affect D, so um, there's bigger volume here. So yeah, continuation of the trend is our friend. And volume, as it always does when it that was the transition extreme. Or even this. Boom, boom. So yeah, even this is uh, transitioning from. So for now, it goes lower. Well, well, yeah, it does. That's so it's not a continuation of the trend then. It's a day in hour alignment. Yep. Yup, yup, yup. So doesn't got this doesn't count anymore because we already reached our yearly level. So um, it's like monthly. What is it doing? It's nothing. It's just can go. Yeah. It's a beautiful 0.5 and all this. Yeah, I don't think so. The buyer's tail, it's all here. And then it like jerks off at the level. It's in 0.5. Also, why with them? It's not a neutral zone 0.2, so well, it's not a neutral zone type 2, so this is our 0.5 really. The Heinz. Would not that be fun if it bounces off here? Just buy the price. Will it die? Even pre-COVID, it just like died. Just Heinz for your um IRA portfolio. It didn't exhaust yet, but start buying it slowly, slowly. Yeah, I think this level is BS. Just buy and hold for dear life. It can. Oh, we are in this untested. Now what happens too? That is what happens to. Don't. Well, but buy here and like hold it what for dear life? 0.5. It broke here. It made a level here. That was the first break. And then yeah, that's how it goes. What happened to Heinz back in 2016, 17? It's paid 6.5%. So then daily doesn't help us like at all. Does kind of in a sense. What's interesting also is that there's some, ooh, look how choppy it was. It was like a 20, and now it's back to, now it's back to 20 again. I don't know, you guys. Just buy it for my, will it die? They may. It's an impulse, so that would be fair to put here test level. None of that matters. Yeah, just buy like some share of it's it's a no trade, it's just well, Uber is falling deeper, is going deeper on the ground, but it's in a It reached its potential, exhausted here, went lower, broke the thing. Potential it is, but not really. This level, it's already reached its potential on monthly. Okay, no, no. Yeah. And it's also counter trend, right? Yes, so punk, punk. Yeah, I would leave it alone. It's already reached its potential on year. Yeah, exactly. Only something super quick. Oh my gosh, Taiwan Semiconductors shows us some financial acrobatics. Look at this. The heck is this? We don't know. It's closing in a break. Um, but yeah, it's absolutely. It makes no sense. Its movements make no sense to me. Some stocks they like move smoothly and it looks like they um, are chartable. I'm going to call it chartable within the Roman strategy that I use. Um, the other stocks they act like they don't comply with this logic. Then what's the point for me to? I should be focusing on the stocks that comply with the logic I pursue. Is all I'm saying. Boom. This thing continues. I don't think so. I think it's just a break. Far, far, far beyond anything. Technically, still good for continuation of the trend now. So, so target continuation of the trend with a with spring is the spring, so continuation of the trend that reached its potential on monthly. Boom, that's a break in 2 days, and yeah. To then again. And then again, a continuation of the trend, my friend. Can you imagine if markets will just continue? That's a break though. Looks like one. That's one bar reversal unvolumed. So maybe, maybe So this is unvolumed. So maybe that's the situation. Yeah. Something like this. It's also a break. We can start looking for a continuation of the trend slowly. So I say slowly. Hold me closer, tiny dancer. 1 bar reversal. I don't think so. It's gonna be a break, but there's like an annual level as well. So it's like spider. Why do I have it? Boom. Unvolumed transition extreme. Caterpillar. It tried an unvolumed spring. And then this happens. Yeah. Um, it's also a break in 2 days. Yeah, the Heinz makes me think of my lunch. I'm kidding. It makes me think of starting just buying it. Of starting just buying it. Just buying it for the sake of buying it. Just of the monthly, just because I want it. So that's gonna be correction. If this is correction, then and we change direction on the oh, we didn't. So if this is not a level per se, yeah, it still doesn't break. Why did I change direction then though? Yeah. Let it decide what it wants to do, and once it's decisively changed direction, we will consider. We will consider. Uh, it's yeah, it's gonna be all right from 0.5. Continuation of the trend. Boom. This looks like it's gonna be a break on MasterCard with this volume. Checks out. Adds up. Yeah. of. What can you do? That's gonna be a break. Everything's gonna be a break. So it's gonna be good for continuation of the trend. And yeah, just like this. Just like this. In 2 days. In 2 days. Continuation of the trend. That's gonna be a break. Uh, uh, yeah, I'm afraid there's only 0.5 I can offer because I'll still put this level here. It's like too close, of course. Doesn't make any sense. But just like not to think that I forgot about it. So like I remember it's here, the volume, but yeah, it's gonna be all right from 0.5 soon. Oh, yeah, that was an entry. It's finally broke it. It can gap. It can gap from here. Oops, 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 oops. I think weird. Valley. Mm, that was interesting. Continuation of the trend, and it does this jerk volume, not the best volume. And like who would expect? Yeah, you would expect it. It was a perfect T1. In the end, in the end, it was agreed. Yeah. And then it went up. Good job. Continuation of the trend. Markets just continue. Uh, okay, and markets are closed. And so I am. Can we possibly work through the entire list? No, no, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. It's gonna be a break in a couple of days. You guys know what to do. Stay well. Once my main project resumes, I'll be missing again. Uh, and I'll be missing you. Take care now. Bye bye.